Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your profile picture in the Alibaba app. So let's get started. Open the Alibaba account on your mobile device and check if you are logged into your account. By opening the Alibaba application on the home page in the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile where it says My Alibaba and then click on it. Then on the next page in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture, which will Clicking on your profile picture will open a drop-down menu where you can also see your profile picture and click on it. The application will open your album on your device where you will search for the picture you want to place on your profile by finding Picture Remains to be clicked. By clicking and selecting a picture on the next page, in order to place it, you will have to mark the general original image and click OK. And then on the next page, just click on the Confirm option. Your new profile picture will now appear on your Alibaba account, and it's easy. And there it is. This is how you change your profile picture in the Alibaba app. It's a quick and easy way to personalize your account. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and app tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.